how to change your Telegram password. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to change your password on Telegram application. So first thing, you need to open the application. Once you have the application open, you just need to go to the upper left corner of the application and go to settings. Under settings, you need to go to settings and privacy. From here, you need to click on two-step verification and then input your current password. Okay, once you have the password inputted, you'll be routed to this page where you will have the option to change password. Then you just need to enter the new password and then re-enter the new password that you created. Okay, and you will also need to provide a password hint, so in case you may forgot your password, there is something that you may remember. And after that, your password has now been successfully changed. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.